Hello, I'm Julian, and today in this video I show you a quick tutorial how to uninstall unwanted programs such as antivirus, in my case. First I tried to uninstall the antivirus with these three programs, but doesn't work. Start to uninstall the program and after that give me an error. Now I show you how to get rid of it without another program. In the search bar you need to type msconfig and after that you need to do what I do. With these settings we go to MS-DOS. Now we are in MS-DOS and here you need to search your program where it is the location of him and delete it. After you delete the program, don't forget to go in the search bar and write msconfig to do the settings to go back in the Windows. This is all for today. I was Julian. I hope this video helps you. And if you want to see more video like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Have a nice day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you